my this video, specially for cracked lips. Dry lips is a serious problem in winter. Chapped lips are common in winter, says Daniel Glass, a consultant dermatologist at the dermatology clinic, because of exposure to cold air outside and dry, centrally heated air inside. Keratin, which forms the top layer of your skin, loses its flexibility and the lips become sore, cracked and scaly, he says. Apply a non-irritating lip balm or lip moisturizer several times a day and before bed. If your lips are very dry and cracked, try a thick ointment, such as white petroleum jelly. Ointment seals in water longer than waxes or oils. Slather on a non-irritating lip balm with SPF 30 or higher before going outdoors. Chapped lips are the result of dry, cracked skin on your lips, due to cold or dry weather, sun exposure, frequently licking your lips, or dehydration. You can treat chapped lips at home with the use of lip balm or ointment to ease any discomfort. So, today in this video, I will share DIY lip scrub and lip balm. At first, I will make DIY lip scrub. To make this lip scrub, you will need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of almond oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, pinch of turmeric. Mix it well, and your lip scrub is ready. A honey sugar lip scrub exfoliates the lips by scrubbing off the dead skin, and moisturizes at the same time. The brown, diff 90 SIER. If see recipe sugar scrapes away the dead skin, and reveals smooth lips while the honey moisturizes the skin. Perfect if you have flaky skin around your lips, which is common during the winter time. Apply small amount of this lip scrub. Massage 10 minutes. And leave it for 5 minutes. Lip scrubs help remove dead skin cells, dry skin, and flaky skin from your lips. They also give your lips a nice, smooth, and hydrated feel for your pout. Secondly, I will make DIY lip balm. Paste of fresh rose petals, 3 tablespoons of Vaseline, and melt it double boiling system. Mix it well, and freeze it 5 minutes in freezer. After 5 minutes, apply on your lips 3 to 4 times in a day. Benefits of lip balm: moisturizes dry lips. One of the main benefits of using lip balm is that it rehydrates your lips, heals chapped lips, protects against the sun, exfoliates, is an amazing lip primer, is a great PM lip mask, adds a hint of color, protects lips from damage,